Hey there, space explorers! Today we're diving into the world of aviation and exploring a metal that's out of this world: titanium. Discovered way back in 1791 by William Gregor, titanium is a shiny, silver-colored metal found right here on Earth. It's not as common as some metals, but don't let that fool you. Titanium is a superstar in the world of engineering and especially in building amazing aircraft. Now you might be wondering, what makes titanium so special? Well, hold on to your hats because this metal has some incredible properties. Titanium is super strong, we're talking tougher than steel. But here's the kicker. It's also incredibly light. That means we can build things that are both durable and lightweight, a winning combination for anything that needs to fly. The first significant use of titanium in aviation was during the 1950s, revolutionizing aircraft design and performance. Handling titanium requires precision and expertise, as it can be challenging to work with due to its strength and resistance to corrosion. But once mastered, titanium's benefits are unparalleled, making it a game-changer for the aviation industry. Section 2, Titanium, strong, light, and ready to fly. One of the coolest things about titanium is that it laughs in the face of rust. That's right, this metal is incredibly resistant to corrosion, even when faced with harsh conditions like salty sea air or extreme temperatures. And trust me, when you're soaring through the sky, you need a metal that can handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. So we've got strength, we've got lightness, and we've got corrosion resistance. What more could you ask for? Well, how about the ability to withstand incredibly high temperatures? Titanium can take the heat, making it perfect for use in engines and other parts of an aircraft that gets seriously hot during flight. Section 3. Taking flight with titanium. Now that we know why titanium is so amazing, let's talk about how it's used in aviation. From the earliest days of jet aircraft, engineers realized that titanium was the perfect material for building faster, stronger, and more efficient planes. Titanium is used in everything from the fuselage, which is the main body of the aircraft, to the wings, engines, and even landing gear. But titanium's use isn't limited to airplanes. Oh no, this versatile metal has also found a home in the final frontier space. Because of its incredible strength-to-weight ratio and ability to withstand extreme temperatures, titanium is a key component in rockets, satellites, and even the International Space Station. It's truly a metal that's helping us reach for the stars. Section 4. The future of titanium in the skies. Of course, no material is perfect, and titanium does come with its challenges. It can be expensive to produce and work with, which can make it a bit trickier to use in large quantities. But despite these challenges, titanium remains a crucial material in aviation and space exploration, and its importance is only going to grow in the future. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the air and beyond, you can bet that titanium will be along for the ride. So the next time you see a plane soaring overhead or watch a rocket launch into space, remember the wonder metal that's helping to make it all possible: titanium. With ongoing innovations like 3D printing of titanium parts and new aircraft designs, the future of aviation and space exploration looks brighter than ever. Recent advancements and upcoming projects promise to unlock even more potential for this incredible metal.